Hello, we are Team 1, and we are working on Quantic, which is a recommendation engine for startup companies.
Hello, my name is Samantha, and I created the Crunchbase database on the server and uploaded the MySQL files to populate the database. The information that we added to the database is relevant information that we received from the Crunchbase API snapshot. I wrote many SQL files queries to try and export enough relevant information to a CSV file so that we can begin understanding our information that's relevant for the algorithms that we will be writing.
My name is Scott, and this week I mainly worked on data cleaning for our machine learning algorithm. We were using Crunchbase's API, which gave us two files, organizations and people, and then a bunch of SQL files, which we made our database out of. So we first, as Sam mentioned, made our database into a CSV file so I could use it. And then I merged all three of those together to give me a bunch of information. I cleaned it a bunch. I dropped in useless information, renamed some stuff, filled in some empty information, and then I started working on some graphs and stuff to better understand what was happening in the data.
Hi, I'm Sarah. I continued working on the UI of our website Quantic. I'm also working on the multiple user logins and continuing to work and develop the user database.
Hello, my name is Anthony Taylor. In this iteration, we got our VM server, and the first step to deploy our project on this server was to download Apache 2. That was the web server we chose to use, and after that, I had to apply Ruby on Rails with Apache. And as you can see here, this is the part where I did the Ruby on Rails with Apache. In theory, this part would be really simple if you were starting with a fresh project, but since we had a previous project that we produced on Cloud9, me and Max ran into a lot of errors trying to set up our project on this environment. Most of this iteration, we were trying to knock out all the environment errors and issues that we found, but we got it done, and here's our project on our server.
Hello, my name is Maxim Rodin, and the main goal for me and Anthony in this iteration was deploying our project on a remote server that we were given. Nobody from our team never worked before with a remote server like that, and we didn't expect that it involves so many conflicts. So those conflicts were caused by some mistakes made in deploying the project on Cloud9 server earlier, which for some reason didn't invoke any errors on Cloud9, and some conflicts were caused because there is completely new environment. So yeah, this iteration we didn't actually modify the functionality of our project because we in some way had to redo the whole first iteration of deploying the project on a new server. So this iteration, me and Anthony solved a lot of errors which we ran into while deploying the project on the server work. And I worked on choosing data that will be relevant to our machine learning algorithm from the given snapshots of Crunchbase. So on the screen you can see our website that run from the remote server, and everything was tested and everything works good for now. So we can continue to work on functionality of our website from the remote and work on it from on the remote server.